So here's the thing. If you don't tell me your name, I'm going to put you in custody for not cooperating this morning. I'm not going to hold on. I understand what you're doing and what you're trying to do. It's not going to help you a single bit in court to try to play these games. Good morning. Are you Nasir Brown?
I'm not here today on special appearance.
I'm sorry. Speak up so I can
Here
hear you.
today
You're appearing here today?
by special appearance.
Okay. What is your name?
Third party intervener who's half of artificial legal entity, not said right.
Okay. At one point in your at some point in your life prior to being this third party, were you Nasir Brown?
No.
You're not him.
I'm a third party intervener.
So here's the thing. If you don't tell me your name, I'm going to put you in custody for not cooperating this morning. I'm not going to hold on. I understand what you're doing and what you're trying to do. It's not going to help you a single bit in court to try to play these games.
That's relative.
So are you Nasir Lewis Brown, or have you been him at some point in your life or not?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to call you by Mr. Brown because I'm not going to say all the words that you just said because you've now identified yourself as Nasir Lewis Brown. And so, Mr. Brown, this is your initial appearance, and you have two cases. And cause number 26, I just asked you not to speak over me. So here's the thing, Mr. Brown. I'm going to be very patient.
I got the child subject matter jurisdiction going on record.
Your challenge of the subject matter jurisdiction is overruled. Let me go through what I need to go through, okay? So this is your initial appearance, your first day in court. I'm required to go through what you're charged with by indictment. In cause number 26, DCCR 0322, you're charged with a third-degree felony offense of assault family violence by impeding breath or circulation from February 16th of 2026. And then in cause number 26, DCCR 0323, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of injury to a child, and that's from February 16th of 2026. And so since you have made bond and got out of jail on your cases, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? Speak up so I can.
Up and down.
It's been up and down?
Yes.
Okay, so here's what I'm going to do, Mr. Brown, is I'm just like everyone else. I'm resetting your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire a lawyer. You need to try to get someone hired before the next court date. If you do, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, they have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying and we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? I'm sorry?
Overstand.
Say it again.
Overstand.
You overstand?
Yes.
Okay. What does that mean?
Overstand.
Do you understand what I'm saying, sir?
I'll oblige.
You'll oblige?
Oblige. Yeah.
Okay. You just determined to use different words and be difficult, aren't you?
No.
Okay. So as a condition of your bond, did you have a condition that you were not to have any contact or communication with the complaining witnesses in each of these cases, right? Okay. And so I want to make sure you understand the importance of that. And that if you do have any contact or communication with either of them, it would be a violation of that bond condition. If I find out, your bond would be raised and you would go back to jail. Do you understand that as well? You overstand.
Same thing.
I'm going to guess that overstand is even better than understand. So you definitely know what I'm talking about, right? So we don't have any miscommunication today. You know exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to have you step in front of the clerk. You're going to sign a reset notice so you know when to be back in court and take care of those things before the next court date. All right, step in front of the clerk. Kyle Whittington.
I'm
Good morning, sir. You're Kyle Whittington.
Good man.
And Mr. Whittington, were you able to get an attorney hired?
I wasn't able to get. I actually lost my job because they're actually trying to get me to like move like hazardous waste without any like material dockets or like that. So like, I had to quit.
I can't understand what.
I had my job. I lost it because like I had to quit because like they were wanting me to move like hazardous materials without any type of manifest or anything like that, and I wasn't gonna risk my going to jail. So I had to quit. So I'm actually in the process of getting a new job.
Why would that have made you go to jail?
Because like if I would got a ticket or something like that, I probably would have violated my bond fee or whatever. Or getting another ticket or something like that. I don't know if it would, so I just quit. Well, it's like it was too much of a risk. Like they were wanting me to make me do all kinds of stuff. Like I didn't think it was legal. So
Where were you working?
hydrocon.
So have you
They're a
tried?
very shady like company. So I did not like it at all.
I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer this morning. You need to fill it out accurately and completely. You're going to need to swear under oath that it's all true and correct. You'll step in front of the clerk on the end. She'll give you that paperwork.
Whenever I'll still get a lawyer, like I'm still a hire a lawyer. Like whenever I get the money, like I gotta like just swap them out or.
Can you afford an attorney?
Yeah, eventually, yeah.
Eventually when?
Like if maybe like in 30 days or so.
Okay, so you've been here 4 times,
Right.
and you've been given all this time.
Yeah, I was in the process of getting that new job that I found out was shady, right?
But what I'm saying is, if you don't have a job right now, are you going to be able to afford someone if I give you one more reset, or do we need to go ahead and?
Yes, I would.
Okay, so I'm going to reset your case 30 days. You need to have a lawyer before that next court date.
Same thing.
Right? Step in front of the clerk.
No.
So.
Mr. Morgan? Good morning, sir. You're Tyron Williams. And this is 24 DCCR 2242. Mr. Williams is charged with driving while intoxicated, third or more. And what is the announcement?
Same announcement, Your Honor. The state and I have, we are within inches of an agreement, and we discussed all the relevant issues in the case, and I think we have a good understanding of what needs to happen. So if he could be reset for the same day as Mr. Scott, we will be ready to proceed forward and dispose of the case at that time.
All right, we'll do the same thing that way. Make one trip and do a 2-week reset. Mr. Williams, make sure you visit with Mr. Johnson before that next court date, so you are aware of everything, and we'll get your case taken care of on that date. All right, you're free to go. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. You're Michael Morgan. And Mr. Morgan, it's important that you're here on time, okay? I'll recall the bond forfeiture. And Mr. Morgan, were you able to hire a lawyer?
No, wasn't able to hire one. After the first 2 calls, I realized I couldn't afford it.
Who'd you talk to?
And just one of these is I had talked to my the court appointed lawyer had his first.
Mhm. Ms. Holmes?
Ms. Holmes, Andrew, and this. That's what they Andrews. About 2 more. I can take a name right out.
Did you remember I told you to bring those names in? So I
Yeah.
know that you were
Yeah.
trying. Why did you write them down on something?
I mean, I know this don't sound bad, but I lost one of them in the course of the hands.
Okay.
But I did it like 3 or 4 days after you told me.
Who are you? Are you working?
No. On Social Security.
Okay. So I'm going to find that you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer, Mr. Morgan, and you'll just need to step in front of the clerk. She'll give you that information, okay? Good morning, sir. You're Don Charles Scott?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is 25 DCCR 0504. Mr. Johnson, what is the announcement?
Judge, working with the state, we are working towards a resolution that is beneficial to the state and the defendant. Your Honor, begging the court's leave, I need to be in Bell County at 1:30. It's 4.5 hours away. I've spoken with the state. This will be resolved if I could have about a 2-week reset.
All right.
We've come to the resolution.
Okay. I'll do 2-week reset, and that will be the final reset for an announcement. It looks like you've been on since August, so it's time to get something taken care of. So we'll do a 2-week reset. Mr. Scott, we'll see you back in 2 weeks. Stay in touch with Mr. Johnson, so you guys are prepared on that date to move forward. Okay. All right, you're free to go.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you've got Tyron Williams.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tyron Williams,